Once again, let's give a round of applause to the one who introduced an interpretation number. Give a round of applause. Thank you so much, Mr. Julius Avenilia from third year section 3. At this time, we will now be doing the oath taking proper. Okay, now, so the president will do the attendance for their party. Okay, so president, please roll for the attendance. Ayan, sure. Okay, now once your name is called, okay, please go to the stage for the oath taking proper. Okay,
Good afternoon, everyone. I am the candidate for president of the SHARE party list. SHARE stands for Student Having Advocacy to the God and Environment. And my members are Vice President Joshua Cairo from 3.
give a round of applause.
Secretary Eliza Rose Salvador from 4-1. Treasurer Ren Scaba from 3-2. Auditor Ken Balita from 4-2.
Give a round of applause.
PIO Representative Grade 7, Charmaine Ann Valdez for 7 seconds. Grade 8 Representative Monica Lois Janessa, 8-1. Third year Representative Hazel Caulada from 3-1. Fourth year Representative Jeddah Domingo, 4-2. And last but not the least, Peace Officer Jovan Ladakay from 4-2.
Atayo na lang. Ay, sir.
Good afternoon, guys. Once more presenting the SHARE party for YESO, who are aspiring to become YESO officers for school year 2013-2014. So they will now be doing their candidate's oath of allegiance. Okay. Please raise your right hand. Repeat after me. Okay, I state your name. Okay, from state your year level. Your section. Abquirino High School. Quezon City. Do hereby bind myself to all the rules set by the YESO Commission on Elections relative to July 3, 2013 election. I do promise to do the campaign only on the period set by the YESO COMELEC. So help me God. Okay, so congratulations. Okay, so good luck for the campaign 2013. Okay. And election of YESO officers school year 2013-2014. Okay, once more, give a round of applause to SHARE party. Thank you so much. Okay.